my friends. This is my amazing marble run. I hope you enjoy watching this. Bye, friends. Look at this. It's amazing. And it's not even rolling now. Okay, Wendell. And the loop done. Watch out. Now the green one is stuck. You got some more marble runs. Thanks, Dad. Daddy, I'm going to check if